你好，你好。Today we're gonna learn a very beautiful Chinese word. 月，月。It means the moon or a month. Okay? Moon. In conversation, we usually say 月亮。月亮，月亮了亮 Fourth sound 月亮 okay, the moon 月亮 and then we can use it for this way also 一月 一 is one. 一月 It means January. Okay, January. Or 二月 二月 February. Okay? And it goes on and on and on. I'll talk about the numbers in the lesson. But 一月 is January. 二 is number two. Second month, February. And then third, fourth, fifth, and on and on and on. But we'll talk about the numbers in a different lesson. Okay? And a month. 月份. Okay? 月份 fourth sound 月份 okay 月份一年有12个月份 okay 一年有12个月份一年有12个月份一年 一 is one 年 is a year 一年 one year there is or there are okay 12 10 is 10 plus 2 is 12 right 10 and 2 so it's 12 12个 12月份 12 months there are 12 months in a year there are 12 months in 1 year okay 一年有12个月份 okay 月份 and calendar itself is 月历 okay 月历月历 is a monthly calendar. Okay, my handwriting is so horrible. Okay, 月历 is month. 月历 is monthly calendar. Easy, right? Easy. Okay. 月十十 second sound, okay? Second sound. 月食 it means lunar eclipse. Okay? 十 is eat. The moon is being eaten, right? Moon is being eaten. It means lunar eclipse. Okay? Eclipse. And we also have, we see this all the time, 月薪 okay 月薪 first sound okay first tone 月薪 月 in this case means month 薪 is your salary so 月薪 is monthly salary okay monthly salary 月薪 what about your monthly rent 月租 月月月月租支吾租月租支吾租 the first tone, right? First sound. 月租 is your monthly rent. Okay? 月租 and then we have 月刊 刊 is a publication, alright? 月刊 is a monthly magazine, okay? Something that's published once a month, okay? 月刊科安刊 the first sound, okay? 月刊 something published once a month. It can be a magazine, can be usually a magazine, right? So something that's published once a month. This is a monthly magazine. 这是月刊杂志 okay? 杂志 is magazine, but let's not worry about that. Just remember, 月刊 is something that's published monthly, okay? So that's it for today. Let's go over it one more time. 月 is 月 means moon or month, okay? But in conversation, we usually say 月亮 means the moon, okay? 月亮 and 12 months in the year. The first month is, this is number 1 in Chinese, 1, 一月 the first month, number 1 month, okay? The first month. Second month, 二月 is number 2. So the second month is February, okay? And it goes on and on and on. 1 until 12, okay? We'll talk about number in a different lesson. So that's how we name the month in a year, 1 until 12, okay? 月份 is basically month, okay? 月份. So how many months do we have in a year? 12 months. 一年 is 1 year. 有 is there is or there are. Okay? 12 months. 12个月 12 months. 12个月份 12 months. 12 months in a year. There are 12 months. There are 12 months in 1 year. Okay? 月份 is a month. Okay? 月历 is your calendar. 月历 is monthly calendar. Okay? Monthly calendar. 月食 is lunar eclipse. 食 is eat. Moon being eaten. Okay? Moon being eaten. So it actually means a lunar eclipse. Okay? Or it's solar eclipse is 日食. Remember we learned this word yesterday? 日 can mean sun. So 日食食 日食 is solar eclipse. Okay? 月薪 薪 is your salary. So 月薪 is your monthly salary. And remember 年 is a year, right? So if you say 年薪 is your yearly salary. Okay? 月薪 or 年薪 年 is a year. 年薪 is your yearly salary. 月薪 is your monthly salary. 月租 monthly 租 is rent. Your monthly rent. Okay? 月刊 a monthly publication. Okay? So that's it for today. I hope you learned a new word today. 月 okay? So I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you very much. Have a good one.